CEC was Come Enjoy College. MPC was Maut, Pukari, Chalo. And MBBS was Baap ke Bekaar Sapney. My seniors had these acronyms to help us decide what stream to choose after 10th. But after an overall work experience of 14 years and 3 different careers, I can tell you that it's not about what stream you choose, but what you do with it that decides how successful you are, how much money you make, and most importantly, how happy you are. And I promise by the end of this video, you will know not just what subjects to choose after 10th, but also what to do with them. Because in today's video, we are going to see a quick list of 4 main streams and the careers they lead to. I'll give you a simple technique that will help you find out what stream is best for you. And in the end, I'll announce a series of free online webinars where you and I can discuss your career questions, be it related to colleges, exams, or just motivation. But before that, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button because it tells me that I should keep making more videos. Let's begin. Now, before we talk about the technique, let's first look at the available streams and what careers they can lead to. I would recommend that you take a screenshot whenever I show you a list of careers because these screenshots will be useful when we discuss the technique in the next section. As you know, we have 4 main streams: math, biology, commerce, and humanities. Let's start with maths. We associate PCM with just computer science engineering or IT, but PCM can also lead you to some other lucrative careers like architecture, material science, defense services, finance, and even healthcare related fields like biotechnology. Having maths as a subject in your 12th also opens up the possibilities of pursuing various degrees. In fact, BSc in economics, BSc in actuarial science, and even BCom in economics and finance require maths as a mandatory subject. Look, don't hate me if you don't like math. All I'm saying is that not every degree requires advanced math skills. Some require just a basic understanding of math. So if you find it even a little tolerable, then it doesn't hurt to have it as a subject till your 12th. I promise by the end of this video, you will find a combination of subjects that you like. For now, just relax and take screenshots whenever you see a career list. Now let's move on to biology. Most of us think that you must choose PCB only if you want to become a doctor. But even PCB students have a wide range of careers to choose from, like pharmaceuticals, drug research, nursing, biotechnology, physiotherapy, veterinary sciences, and more. People in these careers play a pivotal role in society's health and well-being, work on conservation of wildlife, contribute to drug research, and even help in solving crimes. Moving on to commerce. Chartered accountant is the most popular career for commerce student, but they can also offer careers like company secretary, cost and management accountant, chartered financial analyst. The advantage commerce students have is flexibility and variety. They can choose to switch between various career options like finance, banking, accounting, business. Some commerce students also choose to pursue law. Moving on to arts and humanities. This stream is all about critical thinking, communication, creativity, and understanding of how society works, if that's even possible these days. Some popular career paths for this stream are journalism, content writing, public relations where you handle media, press releases, advertising where you'll be involved in ad campaigns, market research, brand management. Then you have careers in political science, literature, and even fine arts. And last but not the least, let's talk about stream neutral careers. There are certain careers that focus more on skills and experience, and you can opt for them no matter what stream you choose eventually. Careers like digital management, content writing, sales, event management, hotel management, and even law. The advantage of having stream neutral careers is that they can become a part of your plan B, just in case your plan A that was related to your main stream does not work out. We'll discuss more about plan A and plan B in the next section. Apart from these 5 streams, we also have vocational careers which focus on practical skills and hands-on training. Their main advantage is a quicker entry in the workforce. We're going to talk more about vocational careers in our future videos. And we'll also have videos on the cost of higher education, defense services, civil services, detailed videos on each stream, and a lot more for 10th and 12th standard students. So make sure you subscribe to The Urban Fight and hit that bell icon because we respect your time and make videos that are crisp and to the point. Finally, it is time to understand the technique that will help you choose your subjects. Now listen to me very carefully. There's a Japanese concept called ikigai. It says that your purpose in life lies at the intersection of what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and more importantly, what can you be paid for? Okay, this diagram looks very cool, Taskin, but how will this help me choose subjects after 10th? That's a very good question, to which I would say that you need to apply the same ikigai principle while choosing your subjects. You need to find subjects you love, subjects you are good at, your dream job subjects, and subjects that are mandatory requirements to get into your favorite college or university, which can be synonymous to what you can be paid for, because let's accept it, you like universities because of placement. I know this is all too much, so let's make it simple. First, take a list of subjects and streams your school is providing you. It might look something like this. Now, to decide which of these subjects are for you, make a table with 4 columns. Let's call it the subjects table. In the first column, write the subjects you love. Let's say economics, English, even physical education. But what if some subjects are new? In that case, ask your seniors for books on those subjects. Read a few chapters, and if you like them even a little bit, then mention those subjects here. It's okay if you're not good at these subjects currently. If you like them, write them. In the second column, write the subjects that you're good at. The difference between this and the first column is that here you should also include subjects that you might not like. For example, let's say you don't enjoy history, but score good marks anyway. Mention those kind of subjects as well here. In the third column, write subjects that are mandatory for the college or university you want to get into. It is okay to not know about colleges at this stage. Most students don't. But if you do, mention those subjects here. To give you an example, let's say you really like Delhi University and want to do BCom honors from there. You might think that you only need commerce, which is true. But to do BCom honors from Delhi University, you must also have math in your 12th. So this column includes the subjects required by your favorite universities. It's okay if you don't know about colleges, most students don't at this age, but the good news is I'm going to tell you how to find colleges that suit your needs in my webinars, the details of which are in the description and also at the end of this video. Moving on to the fourth column. Now this is a little tricky, but it's really the most delicious part of this table. Over here, write subjects that keep your dream job open. Let's say in the future you know for sure that you want to become an investment banker. Then write the subjects here that prepare you for your investment banking journey right from your 11th. Or let's say that your dream is to move to Germany and work there. Then writing German here is not wrong. Some students know exactly what their dream job is. But if you're one of those many students who in their 10th do not know what their dream job is, then this is what you're going to do. Create another table. Let's call it the dream jobs table. In the first column, write all your dream jobs, like whatever comes to your mind. To give you a few examples, it can be a job someone in your family who inspires you is doing. Let's say you saw a YouTube video of a graphic designer or interior decorator and really liked it. Then write that job here. It can even be a job your favorite TV character is portraying, like the lawyer Harvey Specter from Suits or the nutritionist Dr. Sonakshi from Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Bhi. Hey, they're your dreams. As long as it's not Mother of Dragons, I'm not judging. Remember those screenshots I asked you to take? Keeping those in front of you might also help you while filling your dream job column. Now in the next column, write subjects that are mandatory to pursue that dream job. You can find out about them through a simple Google search or by asking somebody in your school. I'll show you how to do it more efficiently in my free webinars. Now here's the bonus tip. Nobody's going to tell you this. Add a third column to this table called skills. And in this column, write things that you can start learning immediately, like today. Let's say your dream job is data scientist. Then in the skills column, you can mention Python and start learning it today. Let's say you want to get into digital marketing. Then write Adobe Premiere Pro or Photoshop or even Filmora. I'm not asking you to buy these softwares. Just start by watching a YouTube tutorial of Python, Adobe Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and see if you want to learn any of these skills. By doing this, you will have 2 years to experiment, and by the time you're in your 12th, you'll have a better idea about which of these dream jobs can be turned into reality. Because that's the beauty of skills. They are tangible. You can write them in your resume and they're transferable. One skill can be applied to multiple careers. To give you my own example, right from my 10th, I was focused on developing skills I was drawn towards. Be it public speaking, coding, designing a poster, or even editing a video. And all of these skills have found a way to back me up in every job I have taken up. And this is what it takes to find your ikigai. Skills. A career can fluctuate between in demand to getting obsolete, but skills are evergreen. Now take all these subjects from your dream job table back to the fourth column of your first table. And you will notice that the subjects table just simplifies one of the most crucial questions of your life. You can see clearly where there's an intersection of the subjects and what subjects keep your option open for more than one career, so that you have a plan A but also a plan B. And that is how you make an informed decision about what subjects to choose after your 10th. I know this sounds like a lot of work, but if you have more questions, I have some great news. We're going to discuss all of this and more in detail in our upcoming free webinars, where you and I will talk about career options for 10th, 11th and 12th standard students, how to start learning both soft and technical skills while you're still in school, how to use AI to create a career path for yourself, expert talks related to a specific career, and a lot more. This will be a recurring online workshop, and if you want an invite to it, all you need to do is fill in the form mentioned in the description and write to me detailed questions you have about your career. The more specific your questions are, the better I can be prepared to answer them during the session. I prefer that the session is attended by both the parent and the student, but if your parents are busy, then at least having them at the beginning of the session is important. This workshop will have a lot of information and a lot of activities. So send this video to your friends as well so that all of you can attend it together and be interactive. If you have any other career video requests, make sure you write about it in the comment section. Your career is your responsibility, not your parents, not your relatives, yours. So never be afraid to ask questions. I'm Taskeen, this is The Urban Fight, and I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully also live in one of the workshops. Now go to the Google form in the description and send me your questions.